What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Forged Arena. In order to start playing this, you're going to need to link your profile and then purchase a GEN-ZERO or Ascendant NFT. Download the launcher. We can see on the NFT Hive, the Gen-E Studios launched on the Wax blockchain November 30th. The GEN-ZERO NFT consists of 1,111 generators with 3 different rarity attributes. Generators used to create unique NFTs for upcoming projects and experiences, starting with our own first-person shooter video game on the PC, the Forged Arena. They're looking like they're going to be creating other games within this. So here we got the Huntsman case. Each one of these cases can open up 40 unique forged weapons and skins, 5 different rarities. Each skin has its own unique float value from 0 to 1, making it look different in the game. These float values also change with conditions the skin is in. You can open the case on the official website. That's what we're going to go do. Alright, well, in order to open up your crates, you're going to need to come to store.playforge.gg. I could not find it on their main website like it was said. Alright, let's go ahead and open this case. I'm just going to open a few cases and then hop right into the gameplay so you can see what it's like. There we go. Let's go. Come on, get that legendary. Get that special legendary. Alright, anytime you want to stop spinning. That's cool. Let's slow down on the spinning. Holy shit, it's still spinning. Alright, so that one was spinning for like 2 hours. So let's just try this one. There we go. It looks like it's slowing down. Ooh, there. Oh. I thought I was going to stop on that. Slowing down. Holy shit, it's taking forever. Oh! Check that out. Desert Eagle. Let's go. Common. Not gonna lie, it's a little complicated navigating this website. Nothing wants to load and everything's going kind of slow. Yeah! Let's go. Epic SMG. Viewed on Atomic Hub. Ooh, shit, it looks beautiful. Let's play with this one. Let's play with this one. Oh, the game runs pretty smooth. Fuck, I suck. Got like, what? How many shots? Bro, I lit that guy up. There we go. Extremely cheap. Way the market condition is right now, it's understandable, but it's a good opportunity to get in here and start playing. Let's go. Alright, so how the play to earn works. The future of the gaming industry is in its players' hand. Blockchain gaming gives power back to those who devote their lives to the game they love. Play to earn and user ownership of the future of blockchain based gaming, and this is why in 2022 they're giving the power back to the players. By playing in Forged Arena, you will earn different types of credits for different actions performed within the gaming ecosystem. Collect these credits to power the NFT generator, buy off the NFT store, or cashing them out the upcoming Gen coin. Okay, now they have different currencies that you can earn within the game too. Bounty, Soul, Scrap, and Sparks. Bounty is where you players will earn bounty credits by completing daily challenges, missions, and specific
quest objects in the game. Soul is where you get soul credits by accumulating kills in the game. This is probably one I'm not going to get much of. Scrap is credits by gameplay time. So you're compensated for the time spent in the arena. And then purchase from the game launcher, fueling the NFT generator and NFT store is Sparks. And I'll leave all these links in the description. This game is built on Wax. Wax is the original OG for blockchain gaming. It definitely does not get enough credit. So I was thinking I'd make this video, show you about it. If you guys found this informational or just like, me sucking at this game, give it a like, subscribe, join our Discord. We got a massive Discord. We do big things in it all the time. I hope I see you guys in there, and I'll see you in the next video.